So, what's up, Doc? Now we're going to be talking about the docking system for your Macintosh. Basically, docking is very similar to the start menu on a Windows PC. It's where your most commonly used software programs are located. But on a Macintosh, instead of being on the left side or clicking a button to open up a menu on the left side of your screen, as would a PC, you can just move your mouse down to the bottom of the screen and you'll see it automatically pops up. And you have a listing of all of your most commonly used programs. And of course, just like anything, you can change these at any time. If you want to remove something that's on here that you don't use that often, you can just right click on it and there is an option for removing from dock. Do like so and it's gone. If you want to add other programs to your dock, all you have to do is find the application icon and drag it to the dock. We do that by going to our hard drive. Remember, this is just like the C drive on a PC. I would double click on there and it'll open up and you'll see the first folder we have is applications. I'll click on that and then you'll have a listing of the various applications in your deal. And if I wanted to drag something back on there, I would pick one. So I want Flash to be back on there. I would just drag it, and you can put it wherever you want in between different things, and it's back on the dock again. In addition, you can customize how your dock operates. Notice how the scale of my dock is when I first come in, all the icons are real small, and as I hover over them, it emphasizes each software as I hover over it by making it bigger. You can change by, over here, you've got this little track, and if I just click, left click, and hold, if I move up, it makes them bigger. If I move down, it makes them smaller. And you can have them as big or as small as you like. In addition, if you want to customize how the dock works when you hover your cursor over it, you can go to the track area here, you can right click and you'll have an option for dock preferences. Click on that and up comes your dock preferences, and you can change the size of them here, which is basically the same thing as I just showed you before, another way to do that. You can also change the magnification as you roll over them. So now, if I hover over them, they don't move at all because I have magnification to minimum. But if I put it max, they start off small and get bigger. You also have some other options here. If you want the dock to be on the left, you can do that. Or if you want it to be on the right, you can do that. So you can kind of do and customize things as you see fit and whatever meets your needs. The last thing I want to talk about in terms of the docking is this folder over here to the right of the little trackball. This is called what they call stacks. And stacks are commonly used programs or software. So if you save things in your documents, this would be like My Documents on a PC. They're going to be located here in your stacks. If I click on there, you'll see I've got all my different folders and I can easily go up and navigate to each one. Oh look, here's the first video I created for you guys. In addition, you don't have to use that. If I wanted to get to the same area as the documents here, I could double click on my hard drive here. I could make this a little bigger, and then I can go to Users, find your name, and you'll see you have this thing called Documents. Every folder in here is what you see when you hover over this one and click on Documents here. It's the same exact thing. Also, one thing I want you to note in terms of how you view documents, this may look a little confusing, but it's actually pretty neat. You can choose up here how you view your documents. This would just be like on Windows Explorer looking at the View tabs. If I click here, it's thumbnails. Here, it's a listing of the items. Here, it's different panes to jump through. And here, this one is the previewer, which is pretty cool. Let's say, for example, I wanted to see what, maybe I wanted to look at something without actually opening a file. I could go here to info, and it actually kind of goes in there and shows me, we can go full screen here. Actually doesn't work with folders. Let's see here, info. Okay, I guess it doesn't work with folders or with movies, but I know it works with, let's go to some of my football practice plans. It goes with documents. So without even opening the document, I can go up here and click on it, and I can actually scroll down the document and see what's in it without actually opening up the document. So this is a lot quicker because this was created in Microsoft Word, and I'm not opening the document, but I can still preview it, which is a nice, quick, handy tool if you want to see what's inside of a document. So that works with things like PowerPoint and whatnot. And the cool thing about this is I can just easily flip through my stuff here just like so using my directional keys. So a very neat little tool there. Again, if you want to click on it, you can go there to view it. You can see your stuff right there. So I think that's all we have for the docs and stacks.